Hey guys, this is Kenny over at Phillips RV. I want to show you this Ameri-Lite by Gulfstream real quick. This is a 268BH. Up in front, you have a pass-through storage. Come inside. You have two entryways to your bedroom, so you can get on both sides of the bed. And then in your living area, you have a jackknife couch. You have a dinette that goes into a bed as well. Two bunks in the back here. In your kitchen area, you have a 3 stove burner, microwave up top, nice size fridge and freezer. And then you have a closet and a pantry on this side of it. And then if you come in here, nice size bathroom, shower, sink, toilet, and then there is another door to get in and out of the bathroom if you didn't want to walk through the camper. If you guys have any other questions, please contact us. Thank you.